Yeah, man. I get ready to come up on the work, you know, you see it?
If you be man like these senseless, and them the other pop be like them,
Yeah, man, I jump out, you know.
Even officer, what I boss?
Even, what go road boy, you good? But tell me something, how you go with spear gun? This was I even.
Yeah, so man, you know say, me there, I go see if I can shoot 2 fish
In a evening, be dinner tomorrow. Yeah, man. Them a go on good enough from what they fish out there, see it? Wait, a fisher just say, careful now, you, careful, you know. A seafood me attack, man, by police, you know, easy, you know. Oh, fish I go shoot. So tell me something, you see the time? You aware of the time? Yeah, man, my boss, man, I see the time, man, I see it, but I just 6:30, you see me? You don't know me that way for the sun for good on, but boy, it's a sun I move different. Obviously, you don't know what the law say about spear fishing, you know. Yeah, we do. Come round us me with a reason, man. Come round us, man. Come in. Alright, me I come round this. So we say them really have law about that? Hey, so my boss, we say the law say. Because I can't believe one law about that. Man doesn't shoot fish anytime man want to shoot fish, you see it? The law said that you are not supposed to do spear fishing between the hours of 6 p.m. and 5 a.m. the following morning. The real my boss, you should also note, if you are charged and taken to court for this offense, you can pay up to $3 million or you do a term in prison. Really? That's the thing I run now? And so we basically say my boss, me have to get my fishing license and then me can go do my little night shooting a fish because it's easier to shoot the fish at night time, and you see it? No, you don't need a fishing license to do spear fishing in Jamaica. But however, there are prohibited areas where you are prohibited from going to do spear fishing. Oh, so you have some place where we can't shoot no fish at all. That's what you said to me? Well, you can fish there, but you have to get a special letter in writing from the authority giving you permission to fish in that area, which is prohibited. Differently still in the police, it's rough and poor people, you know. Why are them a liar? Eh? Why them have to come in with them a whole heap of rules and liar? Remember, spear fishing is a sport and the fish should have a 50% chance of survival when you are hunting them. Like humans, most fishes go to sleep at night. It is unfair for you to shoot the fish when the fish is sleeping. You understand what I'm saying? Jano, star. Rough. It is also against the law for you to use oxygen tanks and air compressors when doing spear fishing because it gives you an unfair advantage when you are doing fishing because human beings are not meant to stay under the water for that long, and that is how it becomes fair because you will have to come up to catch your breath when the fish can escape. So the fish should have that 50% chance of escaping. The fact that you will be able to stay underwater for that long, for even maybe an hour, up to an hour, you will be able to stay underwater. That will give you a very big advantage, which is unfair to the fish. No, boss, I tell you, say, thank you for the information still because I learn a whole heap from you today. You know. You get to me, I say, me never know so I can't just go shoot fish when I want to shoot fish and them things. You see it? Yeah, man, so I just go back on my yard and tomorrow morning, I just go out in the morning and see what I can get. You see it? Anyway, big up yourself, you boss. Come go back home. And you're welcome. And I want you share the information with all of your friends. Them. You hear me? I say, all the other friends, them, share the information with them. Because if this practice continues and people continue to do this, what will happen? The future generation won't have any fish and they will not be able to enjoy what people are enjoying now. Alright? Peace. Big up, listen. Have a safe day. I go up on the work now. Big up.